a surprising statement, Sengezo Tshabangu has expressed reservations about the political maturity of Advocate Fadzayi Mahere, a prominent opposition figure in Zimbabwe. While acknowledging her potential and resolve, Tshabangu cautioned that Mahere lacks the necessary maturity to navigate the complex world of politics. Tshabangu urged Mahere to adopt a more nationalistic and people-oriented approach, warning her against following the blind in quotes. His comments have sparked debate within political circles, with some interpreting his remarks as a veiled attack on Mahere's leadership. We are not really sure if this is really an authentic statement from Sengezo Tshabangu, since he once denied having any social media accounts, casting doubt on the authenticity of the statement. The controversy has left many wondering about the true origins of the statement and Tshabangu's actual views on Mahere's political abilities. Let's get to hear what you think about all this. Thank you for watching the Right Corner YouTube channel. Please subscribe.